Hey everyone, it's Michelle. Happy New Year and welcome to my first video of 2024. Everyone is doing my 2024 luxury wish list. I'm not going to do that because I don't own a lot of luxury. I don't think I bought any luxury last year, but I still want to share my love of handbags. So I was thinking of what to do and I thought of the top classic handbag styles that are timeless. So I'm going to start with the Gucci bamboo handle. So this is in the store, in the boutique right now, but she was first debuted in 1947. Gucci started as a leather house with luxury leather goods, and they introduced the iconic bamboo handle. This is iconic to Gucci. It is so feminine, so beautiful, and I love just the structure, the architecture of this type of bag. So yay to Gucci. So like I said, you can get this in the store right now. You can buy her vintage. And there is another design called the Diana where they also utilize the bamboo handle. Now, an alternative to this, I did find this Jill Sander. She still is on the pricey side, over $1,000. And I say that because us regular degglers, we can buy $3,000 and sometimes even $1,000 or $500. That's a lot. That's a splurge for a bag. But this Jill Sander, it's just as beautiful and architectural. Like it's kind of menswear, but still very feminine. So the Gucci bamboo handle is going to be an iconic bag on my list. Now keep in mind, I don't have all these bags, but when I see like these shapes, I think of what a classy woman would wear to elevate her wardrobe. Other two on the list for Gucci, they're HORSEBIT crossbody, of course, with the HORSEBIT detailing and homage to their heritage. It has the red and green stripe and the canvas print and the leather. So everything about this screams Gucci. I am gonna put the Dionysus on the list because I think this is a really great modern update to the traditional Gucci. I know not everyone's going to agree with me on this or think it's too trendy or maybe too junior with the hardware. Not everyone loves the chain on the bag, but I love it. And I love the snake on list. I love the like touch of gaudiness, okay? It just makes things interesting. I'm not a huge fan of like plain Jane. Now, the next on the list, everybody knows the Hermes Kelly top handle. Can we all afford it? No. Nor can you like go to the store and just buy it. You have to buy your plates and your scarves and all your stuff before you're offered a handbag at Hermes. So here is my mini Kelly, Hermes inspired, and she is so darn cute. I put the scarf on there that makes her even cuter. So yeah, everyone stops me and asks about this bag, but she doesn't fit a thing. I wear her to work when I just need to like have a few things on me. But my favorite top handle are my Teddy Blakes. These are absolutely beautiful and absolutely affordable. Now, wherever I go, people stop me and ask me about these bags and they think they cost a lot of money. You're gonna find these for $500 and under. Let me show you my first Teddy Blake. I carried this to, I think, a VUITTON boutique. And of course, when they're checking you in at the door, they look at you, they look at your bag, and then they follow you around. And then I realized, oh my gosh, they think I'm holding a Kelly. It is not. But these are great bags just to help elevate your wardrobe. Let me show you the red. Don't be afraid of red. Everyone, when I worked at VUITTON, oh, I don't have enough red clothes to justify a red bag. Wrong. You wear your red bag with your black and white, with your black and grays, because it is going to pop against your outfit and elevate your wardrobe. So please stop buying all bags black. Add some color to your life. Okay, speaking of color, if you did not get everything you wanted this Christmas, let me just shout out to my latest ring from She Said Yes. Usually I stack all my rings on my fingers, but this Christmas I was like, I'm gonna be a minimalist because I was on vacation and I couldn't stop staring at this ring by herself. She's the cushion cut halo ring, and it was so like, oh my God, she looks so expensive and sparkly. And if you love pink, as you can tell, I love pink. This is my other ring from She Said Yes. It's rose gold with the pink center stone. So they both have the pink center stone and the crystals on the side, but I just had to shout them out again because I cannot even, the camera doesn't even do justice about how beautiful these rings are. And Very, very affordable. So there's a coupon code in the description as well. Okay, so next on the list, I don't have this bag to show. It's the YSL Sac du Jour or the Prada Galleria. So look at the shape of this bag. This is what I personally call a book tote because it's shaped like a book with handles. I don't own this type of bag. It's not really me, although the Sac du Jour Mini is so freaking cute in the colorful colors that adds a pop to your wardrobe. But mostly I see this bag in the bigger version. This is a very sophisticated, professional, working lady, very stylish bag. If you are in a professional setting, I really love this bag. But even if you're not, if this is your type of bag, they are just very classic, minimalist, and stylish. So I'm gonna stray a little bit of your Louis Vuitton. Classic shape of the Vuitton is the Speedy. It is the thing that started their handbags. The Speedy was requested by Audrey Hepburn. She wanted a mini version of the Keepall for her travels, and that's how the Speedy was born. Another classic shape from them is the ALMA, which was actually designed by Coco Chanel. And then she agreed with Louis Vuitton to keep her design in Vuitton's line. However, for their practical purposes, I have never used a bag so much in my life with the Neverfull. I know everyone says basic, boring, classic. Everyone has it. Yeah, everyone has it because it is such a good bag. Oh my gosh, I use this everywhere, and I mean everywhere. If I'm going grocery shopping, okay, I can put some groceries in here. If I'm going to yoga, this fits everything. If I'm going on a road trip, if I'm going to a work meeting, fits my notebooks, my laptop. I mean, this bag has been more useful than any tote that I've had. Most notably because of the rectangle bottom. It really fits a lot more than a regular tote because the capacity of it is great. And some people don't like the thin straps, but they don't bother me. I'm also 5'2", just to show you perspective, you know, because you really have to be conscious about the bag has to fit the size of your body, and that is going to like determine if it's going to be comfortable for you or not. So these are the things like to consider. Again, on this list, I'm not saying you have to have all the bags on the list. I'm just saying these are like my picks of what I see are classic shapes. Now, last on the list, and one bag that I don't think I will ever buy is the Celine Triumph. This is a saddle bag, and I do believe this bag was first introduced by Christian Dior in the Bobby bag. My concern about this bag, though, when I look at it, looks like box leather. Box leather is that very smooth leather, even though it's like very classic elegant. It's almost like a saddle leather. It's very scratchable. The alternative to this is the APC Half Moon, and I'm gonna show you another alternative. This is from Auguste Atelier, and I've shown this bag on my videos before. I did add the scarf, so this is what it looks like without, but it's the Half Moon shape without the hardware. Of course, I chose it in white because it looks good against, like, this is my walking in LA type of bag. If I'm wearing colorful clothes, it looks good against it. It's very simple and it's very lightweight. So I see why people like the shape, especially if they want something casual. As I said earlier, if they don't want a chain strap for their crossbody, this one's very simple. Now, there are reasons why I would choose this over a Gucci Horsebit. Just think about the print. If you are wearing a lot of print in your clothing, I would go with a simple bag. And vice versa, if you're wearing a solid clothing. Like if I'm wearing solid clothing, that's when I will wear my Gucci canvas piece with the logo, just to like balance it out. You don't have to be logo everywhere, okay? Nor do you have to dress plain Jane to wear a plain bag. When you're looking at materials, when you're looking at luxury shopping, I always say this, don't assume because it has a luxury name and you're spending thousands more, don't assume that it's going to be better quality than something that costs less but is still designer. Like I just showed you some alternatives with APC, Jill Sander. Take a look at some of these brands, even some of these brands that you haven't heard of, like Teddy Blake is very, very well constructed. Just because you're paying thousands more for Vuitton, it doesn't mean you're getting more handbag. They get new customers every single day. That's why you see a line outside of Chanel, Hermes, and Vuitton. I know a lot of you shop vintage, which is great. I'm going to show you a lot of these styles coming up in another video, vintage pieces that you can buy. But for those who don't know, they really do assume, and I only know this because I worked at VUITTON, they assume that they're getting something that's going to last forever. No, you're just buying the brand name. So anyways, in upcoming videos, I'm going to show off to you some of these beautiful pieces. They are shoes. This is from a brand called 7 or 9. They discovered me, they found me and said, hey, do you want to try some shoes? And when I checked out the description and saw they were sheepskin with even leather soles, I was like, yes, oh my God, because there are other brands that approach me and their boots and shoes might be polyurethane, which is plastic. Since I was 18, I waited every Nordstrom anniversary to buy my shoes and boots. And this past year, I was so disappointed because I wanted to buy loafers. Every single loafer I looked at was plastic for a Nordstrom price. I was very disappointed. I was like, I'm not buying plastic. If I'm gonna buy plastic, I'm gonna go shop at Ross or something. These are the loafers I chose. I wore them already, so they're creased. And I wanted to be not so, they have them in all black, but of course I was like, yes, I love the Oreo color of it. They are so comfy. So I will talk about them more in an upcoming video, but I did want to share that name brand doesn't always mean quality. So these boots, so they sent me a total of 3. I'm gonna show you the third. Price-wise, I'd say a third to 1/2 cheaper than Stuart Weitzman, but quality and comfort, comparable. Okay, so you don't need to play that luxury game just to look stylish or to have fashionable accessories, quality accessories to put together your outfit. Well, let me know in the comments what you think of this type of content. If you like the luxury or you like the alternatives, I am all ears. And thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you want to support even more, I have a membership portion where I have some members only live streams. I will be seeing you guys soon. Thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button and have a happy new year. Bye.